So this is from Haisstronica, and we're going to talk about their wire seals. So this is called a solder seal wire connectors. It comes in 4 different sizes of wire gauge. I've used the very small white ones here. Now, what gauge wire are these rated for? I'm just double checking. So they're saying the white ones are for 26 to 24. That's like RJ45 network cabling, basically. But I've used this for signal cabling from radios. So the radio on my boat goes to the chart plotter, and so I've used this to solder very small wires together in a marine grade safe seal. You've got the red connectors, which again are back to the standard sizes. They're printed on here. 22 to 18 gauge is what they're saying. And there's a little solder capsule in the middle, and that's the solder capsule that's going to melt, and it's going to connect those 2 wires. The next one after that, this blue wire, is going to create a permanent. Now, this is not going to be removable. If you actually go to remove it, you're going to have to cut this seal out. But this is going to create a permanent electronic bridge between those 2 wires, and it's going to seal it at the same time. So I'm going to make a infinite loop here. I'm going to basically use this. So I'm going to show you here how this works. So you take these 2 wires, you're going to take this solder seal, they're calling it, and I'm going to slide that down. And my biggest thing is I want to have the insulation past the blue, and I want to have the wire past the solder. Same thing going the other way now. I want to have this wire past that. Now they're overlapping each other here. Now I'll take that soldering gun that I have, or that heat gun. Now I'm just going to use heat to do this. So when I get just the right temperature, that solder is going to melt out. And now I can go focus on heat shrinking the rest of the connector. So that's gone ahead and heat shrunk that side. That's heat shrunk that side. Now be super careful because it is still flexible. See how it still moves? The solder has actually got out and made an electrical connection. And as this dries, it's going to start to get hard. And it's going to be a non-removable permanent fix of a wire. So if I need to attach, maybe extend a wire, repair a break, do something, that's one way to do it. You want to make sure you see that solder migrate down the connection. There it goes. It melted. Now it's going down that side. So that one's done, and I'm going to bring it up to you guys to see as well. So you can see how that solder actually did make it down on that one a little bit better. You don't, again, while it's this hot, you don't want to do that stress test and pull on it, but I can see it made a good connection off both sides. So that's how you do those. These are good for just about everything else, and as long as you have your wire properly fused, you're going to be in good shape. So